Guys, welcome in, welcome in. We are having fun with Bravo star Marysol Patton, who knows how to cook, is even more beautiful in person than you see her on screen. She passed a blind tasting with flying colors, and now we're gonna make a summer recipe that's gonna blow your mind. Okay. You're freshly squeezed. You're gonna have this whole melon here.
I don't exercise. This is really heavy.
I'm gonna do that heavy cutting for you.
Yeah, you
because
do that. I'm gonna let you do that.
There's so much core when you start slicing big things. You start using your core.
Do you have a baller?
You want a ball? This melon?
No,
Is
I
it
meant for the leftovers over there.
Oh.
Where are you from? Where's your family from?
Well, my mom's Sicilian. My dad's Cuban. And
You look Italian.
really?
Yeah, I see Sicilian.
Oh, well, and they all grew up in Chicago. We moved here. I was raised here, but I was born in Chicago.
Have I been? Yeah, I've been to Chicago many times. I love Chicago.
You think they have a good food scene?
Amazing.
Ah.
And people give me free cockies there. They'll just come up, like the bartenders will be like, "You want a cocky?
Yeah, well,
so and so sent you a cocky."
Yeah.
They know it there.
Okay. Gosh, this is giving me all types of PTSD. When we were in culinary school, they don't do this anymore because I think people are not even allowed to do that. We had to carve out seahorses out of a watermelon, and you had to do that within 15 minutes.
A seahorse?
Yeah, a seahorse. Isn't that ridiculous?
But this is just so mushy. Like, how do you make a seahorse?
Oh
with
yeah,
that?
there's all types of knives that you use.
Small coring knives.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly. Here, I'm gonna make slices, and then you're gonna cube it up.
Okay.
Okay, to whatever size you want this watermelon salad to be.
She gives me the easy stuff to do.
Oh.
But that's okay.
And then you're gonna toss your cubed watermelon right into there.
Right.
And you don't have to use all of it either. You could tell me, I don't want this piece, we're gonna
Well,
toss
what
it.
are the ingredients so I know how much, how I
So-
hand ratio?
Again, she definitely knows how to cook because that is a question a chef would ask. So you're gonna have
it?
Yeah.
Well,
I wanna know the
I'm
rest.
thinking about flavors. You know,
Yes.
I don't want to overdo one flavor that overpowers the other flavors.
Yes, yes, yes. That's exactly what you think. So it's gonna have watermelon. It's gonna have crumbled goat cheese.
Yeah.
We're gonna have fresh cucumber, some radish, some serrano chilies to add a little bit of heat. And then we're making a very simple, like red wine vinaigrette. Very simple to go over the top. We're gonna have pomegranate. We're gonna have 2 types of crunch because it's not even just one. She cut really uniformly and very fast. This would have taken somebody at least 5 to 10 minutes to do.
Why?
Oh yeah. We are going to
Lime.
lime it up, but just a little bit. It's not gonna taste like lime.
You don't have the squeezer thing? I'm
I
very
do.
weak.
Okay, I got you.
I'm not very strong.
I got mechanic gorilla hands.
Could you?
You've got pretty dainty martini holding hands. Now we're gonna start layering our savory ingredients. We're gonna start off with some, let's see. Yeah, this is good.
Oh, I saw that. I knew that was next.
Yes, so we're gonna shape probably for this amount, I would say between half and a whole, but I just want
Skinnies.
the little,
Really thin.
really thin.
Yeah.
As we get to like the thicker part, they get spicier, you get the seeds, you get the veins. So we might have to go through a couple of them. Do you use ceramic slicers ever?
I have a mandolin at home, but I really proceed with caution because I've nicked myself with these.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the slicing on
Yeah,
this.
you go for it.
Because this is pretty rough.
Yeah.
Many like fingertips land on this side.
Yeah.
So-
It's true. It's happened to me.
So now we're adding fresh radishes.
Ooh, yeah.
So, I mean, I always grew up with the idea that radishes were like just pretty or crunchy, they're tasteless, but you know they're really good for you.
Yeah? Is
Like-
it an anti-inflammatory?
Exactly. Oh, you already knew where I was going.
No, I don't eat radishes, but there's so many. Most good raw foods are anti-inflammatory.
Exactly. So have you ever noticed, because I feel like Mexican culture is really into like gut health, believe it or not, like fresh food. I'm not talking about
Yeah.
Tex-Mex cheesy pool stuff, no.
Yeah.
But have you ever,
too?
exactly. Yes. So have you ever noticed that they use a side of a taco, a side of salsa, they'll have radishes, raw radishes cut up, not even like fancy like this, but like,
Yeah, I've seen like a little square, like
Exactly.
thin, long, yeah.
and that's because it breaks down fats. When you for digestion.
Oh my God, I'm gonna eat that.
All right, this is already looking so pretty.
It sure is.
Okay, so now we're gonna add pomegranate seeds. This is one of my favorite ingredients in the world, but we're not adding it.
I noticed that everyone on Food Network uses pomegranates now. It's like a thing.
Oh, try a seed. I'm sure you have. You've had this before. They're just so fun. They're tart. They got texture. You could replace this with like any type of other acid. So you got a 2 for 1. You know? So we're gonna add half of this. Now we're gonna add a little bit of red wine vinegar. I use organic, by the way.
Yeah. You have to.
Oops, I spilled.
Beautiful.
Next, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil.
Okay. Constantly mixing,
Yes, 'cause
constantly tossing. You want all those flavors all over.
Exactly. Salt.
Kosher?
Absolutely. You know it.
Yeah.
Since you know how to cook, you know it. Did you guys know that watermelon is actually a cucumber? This is a cucumber. There you go.
I knew you were going to get naughty at some point.
She likes the cucumbers with all the little veins in it.
It's a veiny cucumber.
It's a veiny cucumber. So we're going to just slice away from here. So all the cores of cucumbers, you see this right here?
You don't eat that?
No, this actually makes you burp. If you don't mind burping, this doesn't matter.
No, I don't want that.
Exactly. So I always cut away from it.
Yeah, I use the whole thing, but good to know.
You know, the more you know. So, and then this one's supposed to be seedless. Even though it has the core, you don't see any of the white seeds. White seeds will actually even cause indigestion. So we take out that core. Okay, now I think you could cube this up. They're lined up for you.
You made it idiot-proof for me.
There we go. Not idiot-proof. Again, the right way. Keep those fingers tucked. So we just scrape.
I just like the way it looks and it's cool.
Well, I just don't have patience for picking up everything off my cutting board.
Can I tell you a little trick about how lazy I am sometimes when my husband's not watching? Well, he's not watching now.
Tell me.
He's not. So I don't take out the booze board because it's so heavy. Sometimes I just chop right on the marble.
So do I. She's right. Yeah. You know what? Exactly.
But we're redoing the kitchen, so I feel like it's okay.
Oh my gosh. There you go.
The booze board's heavy.
Cheers to chopping on marble.
You want to hear something funny?
Yes,
so,
always.
My friend, I have a best friend that I grew up with, and every time he comes over and I cook something, he's like, "Oh, it's so good. It's so moist. You don't even need teeth for this." And so then I went to a friend's house for Easter, and he came, and I made food again. He goes, "What's up with you and the food you don't even have to chew?" And I said, "I don't know. I just like really soft food, mushy food." So I'm, that would, like a regular garbanzo for me would be great.
Would be perfect.
Because you don't need teeth to eat my food.
We're gonna add the cheese now, crumbled goat cheese. If you don't like goat cheese, you could change this up. You could add cotija cheese. You could add feta because feta is super high protein.
Yeah.
So is goat cheese.
Yeah, so good.
So now we're gonna add this right into our bowl. So let's say this was being served at your next cookout, whatever, or just a snack. This holds really well. Like in the fridge for about 4 to 5 days.
That looks really pretty.
Oh wait, well, we're not even done yet. We're gonna chef it up now.
Crunchy, toasty things.
Yeah, we didn't want to mix that up because then they'll get soggy. So if your guest is here, like they're about to enjoy this.
I think even though I didn't do that much watermelon, it's overwhelmed with watermelon.
No, you'll see the rest of the stuff. These are roasted pepitas, pumpkin seeds, so full of a lot of nutrients. Again, we want crunch. We want that creaminess from the goat cheese. And now,
this is beautiful.
You're gonna pick some basil leaves, snip them, and just add them all around.
Am I gonna spank them?
You could spank them if you want. He loves me, he loves me not. He loves me, he loves me not. Here we go. You're snapping your herbs. Guys, like a bartender or a real chef, you snap them to bring them to life.
Oh my God, it's awake. It has joined the party.
Oh, this looks amazing.
It really does.
We should be on the cover of like Food and Wine magazine.